Good evening. Welcome to Special Report. I'm Brett Baer. Breaking tonight, just moments ago as the president was speaking, the Senate confirmed President Trump's nominee for Treasury Secretary with 68 senators voting in favor, 29 against. At least 16 Democrats voted in favor of Scott Bessent. Scott Bessent will be the new Treasury Secretary of the United States. Also tonight, the world, as you heard the president talking about there, is reacting to news that China has developed its own artificial intelligence startup, and it might be very good. In fact, scary good, according to some. The news sent global tech stocks plummeting today. U.S. AI leader NVIDIA lost 17%, erasing about $593 billion in market value. It was the largest ever one-day loss for a company on Wall Street, largest ever. An index of semiconductor stocks saw its biggest single-day drop since March of 2020, falling 9.2%. The Dow overall bounced back 289 up, but the S&P 500 lost 89. The Nasdaq fell 612. Let's get details tonight from Fox Business correspondent Jackie DeAngelis with this story. Good evening, Jackie.
Good evening to you, Brett. That's right. It was a large-scale sell-off on Wall Street, and it was led by big tech and, of course, those chip stocks. Now, the pressure was coming from China, and this company called DeepSeek, it powers AI models and its own version of ChatGPT, temporarily only available to users in mainland China. U.S. investors realizing now that the AI race is on and China is hard at work. Silicon Valley advisor to President Trump, Mark Andreessen, said this on X. DeepSeek R1 is one of the most amazing and impressive breakthroughs I've ever seen. DeepSeek's R1 and V3 models are also performing well, the company says, better or close to Western models, and they're cheaper to produce. One of the latest models cost only $5.6 million to produce, which was far less than the $100 million to $1 billion range that it usually costs an American company. But industry insiders are saying that DeepSeek's threat could actually be overblown, that copying an existing U.S. model is easier than actually innovating. Trump's newly appointed crypto and AI czar posted this on X. David Sachs said, President Trump was right to rescind the Biden EO, which hamstrung American AI companies without asking whether China would do the same. Obviously not. I'm confident in the U.S., but we can't be complacent. Another issue with DeepSeek is equity. DeepSeek's model is said to be biased when it comes to criticizing the CCP. John Molinar, chairman of the House Select Committee of the CCP, said in part, the U.S. cannot allow CCP models such as DeepSeek to risk our national security and leverage our technology to advance their AI ambitions. He also called for more export controls on technologies relating to the platforms and AI's infrastructure. Brett?
Okay, Jackie. More on this with Charles Payne and Britt Hume in a bit. Thank you.